How to order a new car the right way and save big. Hey folks, Kevin Hunter, the homework guy here. By popular demand, we are discussing how to go about ordering a new car and the benefits of doing so to you. You're in the right place for trustworthy car buying advice because we are going on 16 years of dedicated service to our fans. If you're tired of playing dealer games and want to order a new car without overpaying, you're in the right place. Most people think buying off the lot is the only way to get a good deal, but ordering your vehicle direct from the factory can actually save you money. Today we are breaking down how to order a new car properly and why it should work in your favor and the dealer's. The amazing Elizabeth joins me now to discuss 7 key strategies of ordering a car direct from the factory. Liz?
Thanks, Kevin. At number 1, ordering saves the dealer money, so they should sell it for less. When you order a car, the dealership doesn't have to finance it to have it sit on their lot. No floor plan financing is involved, so there's no interest expense from their floor plan financing, no lot storage fees, no risk of damage or depreciation. These are big financial wins for the dealership. You're actually helping them, which means they should be able to sell an ordered vehicle cheaper than a vehicle that sits on their lot. And here's a key point. Negotiate a lower price because you're saving them money. If they won't budge, walk away and order from a different dealer.
At number 2, a special order does not count towards dealer allocation in most cases. In most cases, a custom order usually doesn't count against the dealer's monthly allocation. It's a vehicle they would have gotten anyway, so don't fall for the lie. We can't get more allocations if you order one. That's just not true in most cases. Certain brands may actually give dealers an extra unit for a retail order, so don't let them use this as an excuse to jack up the price.
Number 3, build it online first and then get dealer quotes. Never walk into a dealership first. Just as you do with any car purchase, never go to a dealer unprepared. Use the manufacturer's website to build the exact vehicle that you want first. Once you have the trim, options, and packages set, email multiple dealers and ask for out-the-door quotes. Make a number of dealers compete for your business and don't settle for your first offer.
Number 4, never pay over MSRP for an order. In fact, you should pay below it every single time. Dealers will try to charge you MSRP or higher on an order, but their arguments for doing so are BS. You're saving them inventory and interest expenses, so demand a discount. Many brands have invoice pricing, and you can definitely negotiate a bit closer to that. A key tip here, make sure you say this: since this car isn't sitting on your lot and costing you money, I expect to pay below MSRP.
That's right. At number 5, deposit terms do matter, and don't get trapped. Dealers might ask for a deposit, but don't let them lock you in unfairly. Get it in writing. Is the deposit refundable? It certainly should be. How long will the order take? You can demand an estimate on the time. And what price protection do you have? Your price should be locked in with a written out the door.
At number 6, lock in financing separately. Don't let the dealer trap you with their financing. Just because you order a car doesn't mean you have to finance through the dealer. Get pre-approved elsewhere before the car arrives so they can't pull any last-minute financing tricks on you. If their rate isn't the best, walk away and use your own financing.
Number 7, know your delivery rights, no added fees or games. When your order arrives, the dealership might try to pull extra tricks. Our coaches see this a lot. They might slap on extra fees, add-ons, or force financing terms you didn't agree to. So don't let them. Have your original price in writing and stick to it.
A final word here, ordering should always work in your favor, and you should never feel like the dealer is doing you a big favor. They are not. Ordering a car is a great way to avoid the dealership circus, but only if you do it right. You save them money, so demand a better deal. You control the specs with most manufacturers, so get exactly what you want. You don't settle for lot inventory, so don't let them upsell you. If you don't think you can accomplish this on your own, consider using our hassle-free car buying service. We are perfectly fine with taking the time to do a custom order for you.
The more you know about the game, friends, the less you'll pay. Buy smart, drive confidently, and don't fall for dealer tricks. Finally, if you're in the market for any type of vehicle, new or used, and you'd like another way to save some money on your car purchase, read about our hassle-free car buying service on our website, thehomeworkguy.com. Right now, the main man of our broadcast, Kevin Hunter, talks directly to every interested fan from our show and makes sure that you're a good fit for our service. So if you want to have a direct call with Kevin about all of this, get connected with us today.
I look forward to taking your call. The honest truth is that our car buying service isn't for everybody. That said, the majority of people that I approve on the phone call they do with me will make it across the finish line as a very happy customer. In every case, we save them the dealer hassles we've been talking about. We save them money off the total cost of the vehicle. In return, they have shown their gratitude with very generous tips to our coaches and are out there referring us to family and friends. To us, that's the best kind of compliment we could expect. If you found today's video helpful, remember to give us that great big thumbs up, share it with family and friends, and leave a comment down below. And remember, friends, we talked about this recently in a show titled, There's Only 2 Reasons to Visit a Dealership. If you don't know what those 2 reasons are, go back and check out the video. Also, if you have any difficulty whatsoever navigating our website, but you'd like help from one of our car buying coaches when buying your car, either a new or used vehicle, an EV or ICE vehicle, doesn't matter to us. Feel free to text us at 701-441-3399. Liz will hook you up.
Remember to not only visit our website, thehomeworkguy.com, but join us on Facebook too. Kevin stops in there almost on a daily basis to interact with viewers. The Homework Guy team is always here to represent you, the car buyer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on our next video.
To all of you long-term subscribers out there, you guys rock. God bless you all. I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, signing off on behalf of Alex Stevens, our auto expert, the amazing Elizabeth, our negotiation genius, and the entire hassle-free Homework Guy team. Thank you for listening.